Did you know that a 3-day camping trip can generate up to 50 pounds of waste? That's equivalent to the weight of an average 6-year-old child. Ever wondered how it all adds up? We'll get to that in a bit. First, let's set the scene. As passionate devotees of the wilderness, we are naturally drawn towards the undisturbed calm of the great outdoors. However, in our pursuit of leisure, we often overlook the detrimental traces we leave behind. The serene experience of a weekend getaway sequestered from the urban chaos, enjoying nature's grandeur, is an enticing prospect. Yet each mealtime brings along a wave of single-use plastics, leftover food, and packaging. These seemingly innocuous items, born out of convenience, leave an enduring scar on our environment. Just picture the volume of waste that piles up over a mere weekend. The discarded plastic wrappers, the empty food cans, the disposable cutlery, and much more. Now imagine the aftermath. Once pristine landscapes now tarnished with our waste. Majestic views replaced with repugnant piles of garbage. It's a shocking transformation, isn't it? This waste lingers on, often for hundreds, if not thousands of years, causing untold harm to wildlife. We are faced with a staggering problem. Every year, millions of camping trips are embarked upon, generating tons of waste from activities intended to revel in nature's glory. This mounting waste continues to accumulate, forming a vicious cycle of pollution. It's a bitter pill to swallow. The harsh reality of traditional camping, a truth we often choose to ignore. But wait, there's hope. The power to rewrite this narrative lies in our hands. We have the potential to make a difference. All it takes is a shift in our habits, a mindful approach to our choices. It's about camping responsibly, reducing our dependence on single-use items, reusing and recycling where possible, and leaving no trace behind. Opting for sustainable practices such as using reusable utensils or adhering to leave-no-trace camping principles can significantly alleviate this environmental load. Every step, every habit we alter, brings us closer to a world where camping and preservation harmoniously coexist. The solution? A collective effort towards conscious, responsible camping. A commitment to safeguard the natural world that offers us so much joy and relaxation. It's high time we reassessed our camping habits, understood the implications of our actions, and adopted sustainable practices. It's time for change, a positive change. So let's embark on this journey together. A journey of awareness, responsibility, and action. A journey to protect our planet, not just for us, but for future generations. Let's aim to make every camping trip an eco-friendly one. Stay tuned to discover how we can safeguard our planet, one camping trip at a time. But worry not, fellow campers, we're here to guide you towards a greener path. Today, we delve into the concept of zero-waste camping recipes. These culinary delights not only offer a gastronomic adventure, but also play a significant role in minimizing our environmental footprint. Imagine this scenario. You're preparing meals that involve no single-use plastics, no unnecessary packaging, and leave no food scraps behind. This, fellow campers, is not merely a dream. It's a reality we can all partake in. When you adopt a zero-waste camping lifestyle, you're consciously making a decision to prevent the overuse of resources and reduce the amount of waste we generate. It's an environmentally friendly approach that's not only beneficial for our planet but also for our health and well-being. Now let's delve deeper. These zero-waste camping recipes are not your ordinary meals. They focus on using sustainable ingredients. The selection of such ingredients often involves sourcing locally, which aids in reducing carbon emissions from transportation. Additionally, these ingredients are organic and free from harmful pesticides, making them better for both you and Mother Earth. And what about the cooking methods? We focus on eco-friendly cooking techniques that use a minimal amount of energy and resources. This can range from solar-powered ovens to camping stoves that utilize biomass fuel. Using such cooking methods also allows us to reduce our dependence on non-renewable energy sources. Now picture this. You're sitting by the campfire, the night sky overhead, stirring a pot of hearty lentil soup. The soup is made from lentils sourced from a local farmer, vegetables from a nearby community garden, and spices that you've brought from home in reusable containers. The aroma of the soup fills the air, making your mouth water in anticipation. Or perhaps you're grilling up some delectable vegetable skewers. The vegetables are fresh, crunchy, and packed with flavors. The skewers are made of bamboo, a renewable resource, and can be composted after use. These meals are not only easy to prepare, but incredibly delicious as well. The satisfaction you derive from this endeavor is twofold. You're not only satiating your hunger, but also contributing positively to the environment. But these are just two examples. There are countless zero-waste recipes waiting to be discovered by you. From breakfast meals that kickstart your day to hearty dinners that replenish your energy after a long day of outdoor activities, there is something for everyone. And remember, each meal you prepare with a zero-waste approach is a small but significant step towards creating a sustainable future. These zero-waste camping recipes are not a trend or a fad. They are a lifestyle choice. By adopting this choice, we're turning the tide on waste generation, one meal at a time. We're promoting a culture of sustainability and responsibility, where every action, no matter how small it seems, has a significant impact on our planet. So let's embrace this change. Let's make our camping trips not only fun and fulfilling, but also sustainable and responsible. We have the power to make a difference, and it starts with the simple act of preparing zero-waste meals. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, let's unveil these tantalizing final dishes. Savoring a meal in the great outdoors has never been so guilt-free. Picture the scene. You're settled into your camping spot, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The trees sway in the wind, the sun sets in a glorious display of colors, and the air is fresh and crisp. Perhaps you're sitting by a crackling fire, the warmth radiating onto your face. In this setting, you're about to enjoy a meal that isn't just delicious, but also respects and cherishes this natural world around you. Welcome to the world of zero-waste camping with EcoTreks. As we've journeyed through this ecological adventure, we've discovered that it's not just about leaving no trace, but also about embracing a lifestyle that actively benefits the environment. It's about understanding that choice we make, from the gear we use to the food we prepare, affects the world we inhabit. With EcoTreks, we've seen how easy it can be to go green while camping. But it's not just about the simplicity. It's about the combination of enjoyment and sustainability. It's about the satisfaction of knowing that your scrumptious outdoor meal is leaving minimal impact on the environment. The joy of delicious food is enriched by the knowledge that you're preserving the very nature that gives you such a setting to relish your meals. So why is this so important, you might wonder? Well, let's delve a little deeper into that. Each time we choose a reusable container over plastic wrap or cook with locally sourced ingredients, we're reducing our environmental footprint. Now, this might seem like a small act, a mere drop in the ocean. But consider this. If every camper around the world adopted these, the cumulative effect would be monumental. It's a small step, but when multiplied by the countless meals enjoyed on camping trips around the world, it becomes a giant leap for our planet. Choosing zero-waste camping recipes isn't just about eating well. It's also about setting an example, about showing that it's possible to live in harmony with our environment. It's about making a conscious effort to minimize waste, to utilize resources efficiently, and to ensure that our actions today do not compromise the future. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your camping trip has not only been a source of joy and relaxation, but has also contributed to protecting our outdoor spaces. These are the places we retreat to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. The places where we create memories with our loved ones, the places that provide us with infinite inspiration and peace. It's our duty to safeguard these places, these sanctuaries for future generations. Together, we can make a difference, one delicious meal at a time. Picture a world where every meal we enjoy in the great outdoors leaves no trace, where our enjoyment of nature does not detract from its beauty. This is the world that zero-waste camping with EcoTreks aspires to create. So after having this enlightening journey, are you ready for your next zero-waste camping adventure?